Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from MEXC to Tonkeeper. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your MEXC exchange. Once you have logged into your MEXC account, after that click on the wallets at the bottom right corner. Now click on the withdraw from this list of cryptocurrencies. In this search bar, search for USDT and select that. Now select the withdrawal method to click on on-chain withdrawal. Here you will be landed on withdraw page. Now here you will need to enter the withdrawal address, selection of network, and the quantity of USDT you want to transfer into your Tonkeeper wallet. Now in order to get the address, simply minimize this and open Tonkeeper. Once you have logged into your Tonkeeper wallet, after that click on receive button and at the top click on TRC20. Now click on enable USDT TRC20 and here you will find your USDT TRC20 wallet address along with the QR code. So simply copy this address and after copying, reopen your MEXC and paste this address in the address bar. After pasting, it will automatically select a network TRX clone. If it doesn't select automatically, so simply select TRX, or if you select the wrong network, you will lose all your funds. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer into your Tonkeeper wallet. Once you enter all this detail, click on confirm button at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your funds from MEXC to Tonkeeper, and that's how you can transfer USDT from MEXC to Tonkeeper. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.